How to enable Revolut Crypto Trading in app. Welcome! Today I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable cryptocurrency trading in the Revolut mobile app. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to buy, sell, and manage your crypto portfolio directly from your phone. First, open the Revolut app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the features. From the home screen, tap on the Hub or More menu, depending on your app version. Then, select Crypto from the available list of services. Before you can start trading, Revolut will present its cryptocurrency trading terms. Take a moment to review them carefully and then tap Agree or Accept to continue. If prompted, complete the additional identity verification process. This may involve submitting a photo ID and a quick selfie to confirm your identity. This step helps your account secure and compliant. Once verification is complete, tap the Enable Crypto Trading button. Wait for the confirmation message indicating your crypto account is active. That's it! You can now buy, sell, and hold supported cryptocurrencies within the app. Use the crypto section to monitor live prices, track your holdings, and manage your portfolio anytime.